Howdy fellas, continuing on with the build on the rifle, the next step in the video series online, YouTube, is installing the butt plate. Now your kit does come with an instruction manual. I'm kind of following along with what he's doing online, the next step, the butt plate. So what you do is you take the butt plate and you paint the front surface. And well, first thing, I'm getting ahead of myself. You want to take a file and just go along the edges of this right here, just break off any lumps, because this is an investment cash and it's not perfect. So then you will paint your inlet in black on it, put it up against the buttstock and tap it. That's going to transfer color anywhere there's a high spot, and you take those off and get it down to where it fits as perfect as you can. I've got this one looking pretty doggone good, I think. So the next thing he showed online, it's pretty doggone neat. You've got these pockets that they're not really countersinks. They're kind of like tapered pockets that are cast into this. Of course, you have wood screws supplied with the kit, and they don't exactly fit the head of that pocket, or fit the hole in that pocket real good. So what you can do, and it's not hard at all, is chuck your screw in your drill and just turn it on and take your file and run across it, and then stop every once in a while and try it until that pocket head fits in that pocket like you want it. And it may take you a time or two. I mean, he makes it look like child's play because he does this for a living every day. He's been doing it for a lot of years. You just have to keep running it across there until that fits down in that pocket like you want it. So it's nothing really hard. It's just a little bit time consuming. So I believe the next step is going to be installing the ramrod pipes. So I'll pick you back up later on that part of it right there. Appreciate you watching. God bless you. Keep your powder dry. Mind your top knot, Pilgrim.